This is Ben's car without an exhaust. We're liking this. And now for a quick 180. I say quick, it's not really quick, is it? Oh, as you can see, we've come well equipped. We have ramps and exhaust, which was on the car originally, but we decided to modify a little bit more than modifying on this occasion. However, oh look, a coupe without spoiler. Remarkable. Let me change gearbox. This is fantastic. It's so fast. And there's Ben. He's the owner of this pride and jollywog.
This is our own custom performance exhaust.
Oh, fucking hell! Try not to make it backfire too much though, because he'll probably won't like it very much. Okay, as you can see, we're now sort of idling the engine until it stops. There's a man on his phone just there. He's obviously not going to be able to hear what we're saying. He's an arsehole. Can you hear that V8 ticking over? Unbelievable power.
Tunnel coming.
Okay, we have a tunnel. Oh. That sounds, I think the word rough is a bit of an understatement. Here we have Ben driving his performance machine. We're going into a nasty right-hand turn with what looks like we're going to have to make a quick pull away after this BMW. Good luck. And it went round. Everyone's looking at us thinking, wow, I bet they wish they had this exhaust on their car. It does sound like a Harley Davidson. Is it going to let us through? Good boy. Yeah, love it. It may sound a bit loud, but as you can see, we're doing nearly, was it 25 miles an hour? Oh no, hang on a second. Oh yeah, we're hovering on 25 at the moment. This is remarkable behaviour for a car of this stature. This performance is unreal. Yeah, you can see the postman just gave us funny looks. It's always a good thing. Yeah, they get around, they see some modifications in their time, but this one, wow. And this is the sort of thing that just blows your fucking mind. Oh, we might have to pull in a little bit.
Right, good.
That was tight. There's a CBR 600, very nice bike. Oh, a pink smart car. Nothing smart about that.
Hold it out the window.
I shall.
Yeah,
I
don't know. It might override that with the power.
Now here we go. We're just passing on down south now, so let us know we're here. Well, this is what we like to call underpowered. This is lovely. We would have the radio on, but however, the exhaust modification is so vast and complete that, well, you just wouldn't be able to hear the damn thing, would you?
To get some fuel once I've got home, because we won't get it on the ramp, will we?
Well, we'll fit the exhaust and then we'll get some fuel. As you can see, we're running on fumes at the moment, so either one of us is going to have to stop and piss in the tank. Now, this is a remarkable drive. Oh, there we have a Fiesta, you can see her in the distance. It's quite a cute looking woman. And everyone's staring, thinking, wow, I wish we had that car. Obviously they're not, they're thinking, oh my god, why don't they sort that noise out? I mean, this is Chav's gone wrong, really, isn't it? Mitsubishi?
What happens if you modify your car without knowing what you're doing? But,
well, we do know exactly what we're doing.
This was nature's own fault.
I'd stick her in neutral if I were you, because that way there's no... Why the hell is she waving? See, that would have ripped the old exhaust thing off, wouldn't it? This is lovely. As you can see, the noise has quietened down now. But just wait, it's there. There we go, the tractor's back. And everyone's staring relentlessly at our lovely creation. That's a nice looking Mini. Very nice. Luke's old Mini, that one, I think.
The white one?
Nah, it's a green one with black wheels.
Oh.
Lovely. Yeah, power. Aha. And there's Ben. Hi. He's looking at his best today. It's going to be exciting. That's a nice bike. Really RS 1000. It's brand new. It's not as nice as my bike. That sounds like an aeroplane. It's a Mark II Spitfire. 1930s. Now give it a bit of space. It's not like on the ramp. Get it quite close. Not too close. A bit closer, I would. Anyway, this is Ben and Jason. What are you smiling at?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Take care.
Yeah.
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 Do you want to do this now before it gets worse?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.